Good morning. Today's topic is Instagram marketing. We are discussing about different social media channels. Started with Facebook marketing, LinkedIn, Twitter, and today's topic is Instagram marketing. All these social media channels are existing together. All have users, active users. They have some features common and some different. This is the reason they are existing together for a long time, and every platform, social media platform, is growing. And if there are users on the social media channels, the marketers are using these platforms for marketing and advertising. Today we will discuss how we can use Instagram for marketing and advertising. Right? At Instagram is growing very fast, not only in India, in other countries as well. The good thing is most of the young generation, I should say your generation, is mostly engaged on Instagram and YouTube. I have also done a survey, and other surveys also discloses this thing. More younger generations are there on Instagram, and right, and Instagram initially it is for posting images and videos. We use it for posting images, expressing our thoughts, feelings, and all with the help of pictures and videos as well. Less, very, very less about text or microblogging. The second thing we use on Instagram is hashtag. And we are also using hashtags. Hashtag marketing is another associated subject with Instagram. Hashtag research and hashtag marketing. The hashtags on Instagram are working similar to as they are working on Twitter, then on LinkedIn, and very less on Facebook. Right? The hashtag marketing is there on Instagram. Every hashtag has followers, as we discussed on during the Twitter, right? And businesses and brands are creating their own hashtags from the first day of the marketing. They are using their own hashtags, and everyone must use and create on hashtags, at least 2 3 hashtags. And if a brand have multiple product profiles, so they can have multiple Instagram pages, or they can have multiple hashtags, and they are using these hashtags on regular basis on their post. On daily basis they must use their hashtags so that they can increase their hashtags followers. How many hashtags we should use on Instagram, that is also a question, and the answer is around 9 to 13. We should use 9 to 13 hashtags. The optimum in Instagram. And similarly, what should be a hashtag length? Character length. How many characters should be there in a hashtag? Optimum number of. That is again around 10 characters. 8 characters. 8 to 10 characters. Not very long hashtag we should use, and not very short as well. 3 characters or 4 characters. We should be there around 7 to 10 characters on our hashtags. That is about hashtag length, right? What is the ideal length of hashtag? Means how many characters should be there in a hashtag? That should be around 7 to 10. And number of hashtags we should use in Instagram, that should be around 9 to 13, right? So these two things are clear about hashtags. And we should follow, or we should follow means we should include the hashtags. If suppose our brand is establishing 3 or 4 its own hashtags, and rest 5-6 hashtags we should use in the marketing, which is relevant to our business, which are relevant to our business, close to our business. And again we have to research these hashtags, how many followers these hashtags have, the individual 6-7 hashtags. If you are using suppose 11 hashtags on your every post, that these hashtags should be pre-decided. 2-3 hashtags you can change, or if the product is entirely different, that can be another issue. If you are promoting the same 1-2-3 products on every post, then definitely the hashtags can be same every time. Changes may be very less, maybe changes of only 2-3-4 hashtags. Rest will remain same. Some of the hashtags are your brand, your company. Some of the hashtags that the company is following, that is relevant to your company business. Some hashtags may be relevant to that particular product you are promoting, right? This is hashtag marketing strategy we have to develop at first, right? What hashtags you are going to follow, what hashtags you are going to create for your own brand, right? So this is about hashtag and how many hashtags we have to use and which types of hashtags we have to use. Instagram is currently the fast growing social network, at least in young generation, because of pictures and videos. Stories, Instagram stories are very famous. 600, this is old data, around 1 billion active users are there on Instagram as per the 2020 census. 1 billion active users worldwide on Instagram. Instagram stories now up to 300 million daily active users. That is more than 300 millions. That is around 500 millions daily users on Instagram stories. Connected to Facebook and has a very targeted marketing. The good thing is Instagram is also owned by Facebook, and for marketing purpose it is connected with the Facebook, and most of the business activities on the Instagram managed from Facebook page. We manage from Facebook page, and Facebook at itself a strong marketing platform. It is a strong marketing platform, means ability to target segments, ability to target behavior based, right? Analytics. We get insights of our advertisement campaigns, what exactly happening, how it is going on, look like audience we can target. So it's a powerful, we can say, marketing platform, Facebook now. And most of the marketing activities or advertising activities on Instagram we manage from Facebook, right? Connected to Facebook and has very targeted marketing. I have shown on my Facebook marketing video how we can connect Instagram from Facebook page. Brand building and awareness. The next thing is brand building and awareness on Instagram. And we can sell products, can generate leads, can increase our website traffic. To increase our website traffic. Right? So these are basically optimize your business profile. The first thing is we have to optimize our Instagram profile for business. As in case of Facebook or LinkedIn, we create a separate page for business from an individual's ID. Here we convert individual ID into an business ID. Business ID. Right? So make sure you have a business profile so that you can get insights, create ads, advertisements, link to Facebook page, contact buttons as in case of Facebook page, similarly in Instagram. So we can get insights if we have a business profile. Individual profile we have to convert into a business profile. Use related username and detailed bio with branded hashtags. Related username means whenever we are planning for social media marketing, and we must try, and we have to such approach our Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube. Work hard to get the same username for all of these channels, these platforms. If it is not possible, then must try for the minimum number of usernames for these, at least these 5 social media channels. Right? So use related username and detailed bio with branded hashtags. Related means related to your company. Username should be related to your company. Website link is only link, means linking to your website, company website. That is only link. Right? That is only link. The first thing is we have to make it sure you have a business profile, convert that individual profile into a business profile. To get insights, create advertisements, to link to Facebook page. You cannot link an individual's Instagram profile with a Facebook page. You only can link a Facebook page with a business profile, Instagram business profile. Right? You will only able to get insights of advertisements and posts when your Instagram profile is business. Similarly, advertisements could be created only for business profile Instagram posts and contact buttons as well. And we have a website link as well in your business profile. Right? And optimizing your business profile. Sorry, the same slide, I think. Right? Now, Instagram content strategy. Which types of content we have to promote? Interactive content. To generate sales, leads, right? Increase in website traffic, brand awareness, customer engagements. Content type to meet goals, product posts, post about your products, right? Educational posts like how to post, how you can do that. We know about different heading formats, headline formats, how we can do that, how we can do this. Company culture posts like behind the scenes, user generated content. So we need a Instagram content strategy for our business, right? Instagram content strategy, continued content styling, text descriptive, but text description must be in short. These are the hashtags. This is text description for this image, right? Hashtags up to 30, not up to 30, the 13 15 are the maximum I think we should use. Emojis, break text for getting attentions, we can use, making more attractive and inserting emotions in between, right? Media, photos or videos, definitely photos and videos are for which the Instagram made is there, is existing, right? And customer care, handling customer queries and complaints. If you are uploading a post on your business profile and lot of queries are there on this post, then you have to answer each and every one positively, whether it's a negative or a positive feedback. Whether someone, either someone criticizing you or appreciating your product or your service, you have to respond very positively. It's social media. If you are not responding, that's not a good job. You have to respond even in case of negative post. Say thanks for positive ones, right? To respond as necessary. Reply to user comments. It is two-way communication, right? It's responsibility to reply, right? Getting the point? So this is for today. Rest we will discuss more about this on tomorrow, right? Thank you very much.